Hello friends, this is Tanmay De. Welcome to my channel Sanchita. I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to dictate a passage from a newspaper. If you like my work, then subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. This passage is a newspaper report of the Indian Express. Speed will be 80 words per minute, total words 802. After the dictation, you will get the whole passage, which is divided into parts to make it legible. It is advised that after taking dictation, you must read it back and then do transcription and check it. You will also get important words relating to this passage with their meanings and outlines. I will start dictation after the countdown of 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. I came to this book with a lot of expectation. Given the recent brouhaha over J.K. Rowling and her Dementor Twitter feed, we could certainly use a more nuanced, adult, and satisfying update of Harry Potter type campus novel, and Thomas' book promised to marry college drama with science fiction. I could not wait. This book starts well, and Thomas deftly creates the ambience of her setting, a crumbling, slightly creepy, and very atmospheric set of mansions deep in a pine forest. In the mountains, where undergraduate students have to isolate themselves for 3 years to get their degree, we are told repeatedly that Catherine House is a place for excellence, creativity, and exploration. Pretty much everything we wished for in college life, but didn't get. Her protagonist appears to be on the run from a secret shame and feels pretty out of place among the young, confident, and carefree first years. Some of the other students are quickly profiled. They are all interesting at first glance, and the reader is agog to know their stories. But as the story unfolds, its weaknesses and omissions slowly come to light. The biggest problem with this book is the plot, or rather, the lack of one. The second biggest problem is the lack of empathy and three dimensionalists to the characters, which the author tries to cover up with some pretty wordplay and, for some reason, endless descriptions of food. Her protagonist is not sympathetic, but not an interesting way. She is, to put it bluntly, simply a shiftless pleasure seeker with no goals other than a kind of second hand ambition. And that brings me to the third biggest problem. These kids, we are told, are smart, but they don't act smart. Studying for them is something you do to pass exams, and they endlessly fret over this activity. We never see them get genuinely enthused over an idea except as a kind of party game. This didn't ring true for me, as my extensive experience of smart students suggests that the one thing they do with the utmost passion is talk about ideas, not just the ideas on their syllabus within bracket, heaven forbid bracket close, but all ideas including the dangerous ones. But these kids act more like crammers for a competitive exam, pulling all nighters, waking up hangover, and having the occasional bout of gauge sex in the bushes. And no wonder their teachers are all Thames who only teach for 2 years before being rotated out. They spend less time at the college than the students do. Maybe that's why the faculty indulge in behavior that would attract at least one Title IX case on the real world. The plot more or less falls apart when the science fiction beat appears. Plasm seems mostly to be a plot device, about as convincing as Infinity Stones, designed to turn a decent young kid who used to cook for his grandma into a steely eyed generator of intellectual property. There is here both a mild demonizing and science and a bit of sinner at the American stereotype of the nerd, followed by a puzzling digression into necromantic horror. By contrast, our feckless protagonist is supposed to look sympathetic next to the corruption of the other major character, but it just doesn't come off. With the staff and administrators, Thomas does do the slight air of meanness underwriting humongous privilege with flair, but the logic of their actions is very difficult to fathom. They don't appear to be acting quite like adults, and it seems to me that in trying to portray them as they must look to an adolescent, Thomas has compromised on the structure of her plot, mixing up point of view with narrative design. This is what happens when you don't work up your minor characters before starting the ride. I ended the book disappointed, but mostly because I had expected it to have more depth. As a first novel, I think the main thing it lacks is the confidence of kick precedent. Anyone who watches American campus drama will see all the tropes played out here, and that is disappointing. Screenwriters might get away with predictable market codline we sorry But in a novel, why do what every hit series does? Surely people who read novels are looking for something more. Having said that, if you are ready to overlook the slightly stomach churning food prone in nearly every paragraph, within bracket, I kid you not, these babes eat like monsters, bracket close. The book is a lightweight read to while away an afternoon, probably not worthy the whipping hardback price, but the ebook would be decent disposable entertainment. Surfaces are given a fine polish, and some of the descriptions are truly evocative, but there's not much to remember underneath. All in all, a bit underwhelming, but not entirely to be dismissed. I feel like grading this book within single quote, you have potential, do better next time. Decode, stop. Now try to read it and then do transcription. If you find too many omissions, then you can practice the given outline and then take dictation once or twice. Now I am showing you important outlines relating to this passage. You can also take screenshot. Now I am showing you the passage first part, total words 201. Second part, total words 189. Part 3, total words 220. And the last part, total words 192. That's all from us. Thanks very much for watching. I hope this dictation is useful to you. If so, press the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get future notification.